Hulala Home Buffalo Plaid Farmhouse Striped Studded Accent Armchair. I'll be showing you where the legs are hidden and stored, giving tips along with a closer view and features towards the end of the video. Along with the instruction manual, the tool and the hardware is included. Follow the long orange material and you'll find the hidden legs, which are at the bottom of the base. Here's how you can adjust all 4 legs. You might only need to adjust 1 or 2, depending on the leveling of your floor. After adjusting, sit in the chair and wiggle. Make sure all legs are touching the ground. This decorative floor armchair provides good back support and comfort while reading, having good conversation, or just watching TV. This studded accent chair will definitely brighten up your space. The fabric is comfortable and smooth to the touch, and the foam is actually comfortable, made of high resilient sponge with support, and is not easily deformed even if you sit in it for a long time. The legs and frame are made with high quality birch wood. Now let's have a look at multiple views of this product in our comfortable home setting. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.